Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Takstar SGC-598 microphone. Here is a look around the box itself. On the back you have some brief specifications, on the right there is a code for anti-fake product checking, and on the left there is who the designer and manufacturer are. Now moving on to the unboxing, we can see that it has a carrying case, a warranty slip and a manual with some specifications of the microphone. Underneath the foam there is a dead cat, as it is called, and some clips for the shock mount. The dead cat is of pretty good quality and does reduce wind noise. The microphone itself is all made out of plastic, and although it might not survive a drop, it feels okay in the hands. The levers are tactile, which is a good thing, and they work as described. There is also a little LED to show if it is on or not. This is very helpful and a very good feature to have, as some other microphones do not include this. The shock mount is okay but nothing special, and the battery is not included. The battery cap is kind of tedious to put on as well. The cable is not very long and it is a normal cable. The wind foam can be taken off and it is pretty tightly fit, so it will not come off by itself. When removing that, you can see the microphone grill. It is just like any other shotgun microphone and nothing really special. The cable is sadly attached, therefore if it's broken you cannot change it. The cold shoe mount is made out of plastic and is tightened via the plastic cap on top of it. The cable is coiled, but it isn't that springy. The cable can also be attached to these grommets, which hold on to the cable itself when not in use. The bag is pretty big and the microphone fits in with no problem. Now moving on to some audio tests, we can see that the audio is okay for a close-up subject, but will suffer for far away subjects. Okay, so this is a microphone test of the Takstar SGC-598, which is about 30 centimeters away from my face, and the microphone is a bit on the top, obviously mounted on top of the camera. Now this is with a plus 10 decibel boost, and this is the normal setting with a plus 10 decibel boost. Now I am about 60 centimeters away from the microphone itself, and yeah, this is the normal setting with no decibel boost. And now this is the normal setting with a plus 10 decibel boost. This is the low cut filter with no decibel boost, and this is the low cut filter with a plus 10 decibel boost. Okay, so now I am about 90 centimeters away with the normal setting and no decibel boost. Now this is the normal setting with a plus 10 decibel boost. This is the low cut filter with no decibel boost, and this is the low cut filter with a plus 10 decibel boost. Okay, so something else to keep in mind with the microphone is that it was set at a 6 sensitivity on the DSLR itself. The DSLR is a Nikon D5300, so if you have a different camera, be sure to check the settings and change the sensitivity from the movie settings themselves, because it might be set on a higher level and that might end up making the audio a lot more noisier. And although this is already pretty noisy, as you can hear, shooting faraway subjects will be a lot of a harder subject to shoot, since it is further away and there will be more noise on the microphone itself. Okay, so now this is a chord progression of F, C and G on the ukulele, and keep in mind I am no expert, so this is just purely as a microphone test. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace. Peace.